That Eileen is here tonight. You know me as the first ever woman elected governor in its 400, at the time, 425-year history. Prior to me, from the time of as far back as Legazpi until July 1st of 2001, there had never been a woman governor. Many, or maybe just a few of you know that on that historic day, July 1st, 2004, we did not have a governor until 5:35 in the afternoon of that day. My father was governor then, accompanied then Gloria Macapagal-Arroyo, who had won as President of the Philippines and declared that Cebu made me president after we had given her over 1.1 million majority margin over FPJ. In fact, she took her oath of office right in front of the capital, the provincial capital of Cebu. Right before 12 o'clock noon, my father, Governor Pablo Garcia, and the mayor then of Cebu City accompanied Gloria Macapagal-Arroyo to take her oath. But after she had taken her oath, a century, to change how things we had always thought things would be, as previously defined by those that came before us. Eileen, how I look up to you. Let me share with you. Why do I speak about it? Because that is what Max is all about. I have never met anyone else from media that was as committed, as engaged, as totally defined as who he was. Pag-ato niya na ako, gobernador po ato. Hindi ako istoryahan bahin sa Borjoon Panels. Ilang na ito kabuan. Tuig kani. Taas ng istorya ato. Ipanghambog pa sa National Museum. The definition of our identity should be, we are Cebuanos. We have a rich heritage by which we stand proud. Thank you, Max. And I challenge all members of media that are listening to me right now. May one, some, or all of you take up this fight. Ang subuanon walay sama. mabuhi ang sugo, mabuhi ikang tanan sa kuwan.